Now see here, comma, again print code, double quote. How many values? Few values, comma, and 3, 0. 3 then. Now see. So these 3 types of values I have defined over here. This is the for full list, this is the for few value, and this is for few values in different order. Now see, when I will execute this, now see here, the output will be by using of slices. This is called a slices, you can say. Okay, I have told you. So in slicing L 7, 6, 9, 10, 5, there are 5 values I have defined, and here full list I have printed like 7, 6, 9, 10, 5. All the values are printing over here. Few values 0 to 3 means 7, 6, 9 means 0. This is the index value of starting 0, and this is 3. Third value means from 0 to 3. All the 3 values will be covered in that. Now here see third location. Okay, 10 and 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you can say 0 to 3, this is the count. You can say 0 is the index number from start, and this is the 3 values, third index number, not third index number, before third index number you can say, and minus 3 you can say. Means 7, 6, 9. Total 3 values will print. Okay. Now here suppose that if I will define in different manner. Now see, if I will define 2 and 5. Okay. Now see, 9, 10, 5. I have defined 5 values, but only from second location only 4 values are there. 3 values are there. Means second location is 0, 1. This is the 9, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 3, 4. Okay. So fifth value is not there because of the number of values are not that much. Okay. So in this, if I will exchange the value, comma. Okay. Now play 10, 9, 5. Here 9, 5, 9, 10, 5, and the value will be different. So this is called the slicing of a number. Now see, if I want to change the value, if I want to change the value order, if you want to change the number element in the value, you also add that. I'm going to tell in next after this. Okay. So let's see, list. Suppose that I want to change 2, 3 is second location and third location. Second location will be 10 and third location will be 9. Okay, and is equal to 25, 65. Okay, so when you will print now when you will print value after change. Okay, change list sorry, this was not there. L. See, oh, list is there now. Some error is here. Oh, L it is. L is not list. Now it is okay. Now see, the replacement of third value, the full list will be before changing is 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, and few values are this. Is all already I have told you. Now see, value after change 7 6, first 0 and first value will be this, and after this second and third value will be 25 and 26, which is replaced by the same value. This is 10 and 9. Okay, clear? So in this way you can change the values. The new index number will be changed after this. Okay, the index number values on second index number and third index number will be changed. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the list append. Okay, append we are going to use. Okay, how you will use append? Let's see. First of all, we'll learn what is append actually. Okay. Append function. What is the use of append function? Okay, it is used for list manipulation only. List manipulation. Okay, you can send this method is used to add an item to a list. Okay, this is also before that I have told you by the index number you will change. Okay, by the index number you will change. Now here you will use method. How you will change? Suppose that the list is okay. Here you are changing in last section I have told you that how you will change. Here you will add the value. Okay, number of value add. Okay, increasing of the increasing, you can say list 1 2 3. Suppose that these are the numbers. Okay, now you want to change. Suppose that हमने इसको print किया, print list before adding हमने लिखा list. ठीक है, now say list, the variable name, इसका जब syntax, if you will, syntax means variable name, variable dot append should be in a small, append, and within the bracket single value. This will use to change to add a single value. Append will use to add a single value in a list. Okay, clear? This will use to add a single value in a list. List dot append, and we will add, suppose that 4. Okay, now when you print list after adding, okay, ठीक है. Now this is the way to add the value. अभी हम इसके इसका ही प्रयोग करते हैं. Now suppose that if I will any question regarding this? हाँ, कोई कंफ्यूजन समझ में आया नहीं आया? Students, anyone can speak or not? This is clear हुई? Understood. Okay. Okay. Now see, when you will now I'm going to tell you extend. Okay, extend, this will use to define, to add a value, single value in a list. Now we will use extend to add multiple numbers, multiple values in a list. You can add in the format of alphabet, characters, alphanumeric, any type of value you can add in by the same method. If you want to add a single value, if you want to add multiple value, you will use extend. That also I am going to tell. Extend. Okay. To add multiple values in a list. Okay. If you want to add a multiple value in a list, then how we will use. Okay. Let's see. The same as the append you are using, in the same way you will use the multiple values. List dot extend within a bracket and a square bracket 4, 6. Here this is not the index number. Okay, these are the values we will define. Okay, so here I have added. Suppose that it is add 8, 4. I have already added 8 and 6. Okay, now this is clear or not? Now see in the program. Here I am going to add L dot append within the bracket 90. Okay. Now see print after using append comma L and L dot extend (34, 56). ओके, अभी हमने इसको प्रिंट नहीं किया. ओके, नाउ सी see 5, what value I have added? 90. Okay, see, by using append I have used 90. Okay, so extend. Now when I will use extend, here append extend. Extend. Okay, now see 90, after 90, 34 and 56 are added. Clear? Clear or not? Huh? So I think it is clear that when you will add 90 any number, a single value in any list, then you will use append, and when you will use add to multiple values, then you will use extend. Clear? Clear or not? बोला करो बच्चा. अनुभव क्लियर? अपराजिता, अनुमेहा, हलीमा. चलो, कोई नहीं बोलेगा, कोई बात नहीं. Now stream. Up suppose that here it is list 1. Suppose that I have defined one more list 2. Okay, and is equal to 5, 9 and 10. Okay, I have defined one more list. Now suppose that if I want to add two lists together, okay, then what you will do? List 3 is equal to list 1 plus list sorry, list already one is, list 1 is on a list is there, list and list 2, list plus list 2. Now here the first list, whatever you want first, suppose that here 1 2 3, so you can write 1 2 3, okay, and after that in list 2 5 9 and 10, this will print. That also we can check in a practical, how you will add two list, okay, how you will add two list. Let's see, I have already printed L1 is equal to 34, 54, 67. Okay, these two lists I have, L is already there and L1 I have defined. Now suppose L2 is equal to L plus L1. Okay, now when we will print addition of two lists, okay, L2. Now when I will play, now see, here till here 56 till 56, it is the list, first list which we have created. Second list, this is 34, 54 and 67, that is list 1. Okay, and this whole list is called a list 2 when it will printed. Okay, so in this way you can add two lists from any given list. Okay, number of multiple lists is given in the table in your program, in your paper, then you can add the list. So now we have learned append, extend, adding of two lists and slicing. Okay, now I'm going to tell you deletion of a list, deletion from the list. Okay, suppose that if you want to delete any element in a list or delete any list, then how you will delete? Let's see. Now see, deletion of list. Okay, elements which are in the list or full list. ठीक है, जो भी हम डिलीट करना चाहते हैं, whatever you want to delete, we can delete accordingly. Now suppose that I have created a list is equal to 1, 2, 3, and print. Suppose this I have list printed before L. Okay, before deletion. Okay, now see, del, use del. ठीक है, use of del, we will use del to delete a list, small del. Okay, when you want to delete any list number, one element or one element from the list, okay, or multiple elements, how you will use? Suppose that if you want to use a delete of one element from a list, then you will delete L, del list name. This is the list name. In syntax ऐसे होगा, del list name and within the square bracket index number. Okay, now see, L, suppose that I want to delete 2 from the list, 0, 1 and 2, so it will delete one element. Okay, when you will print, it will print without this second value. Okay, now suppose that if you want to delete a first two elements Okay, suppose that first two elements if you want to delete, then what you will do, delete del L within a square bracket 0 colon 2, means first two elements, means this is the initial location from where the element will delete and the number of elements which will delete. Okay, so this is for to delete first two element, your items, you can say whatever. Now here this is the list 0 to 2. Suppose that I want to delete from second to third, you can write 2 colon 1 or 2, 3, whatever the number of elements you want to delete. Okay, suppose if you want to delete a full list, then you can write del list name. Okay, no any brackets are required. Okay, by this full list will delete from your program. Clear? समझ में नहीं आया? ठीक है, ओके. नाउ अब कुछ ऑपरेशंस हम लोग समझते हैं. some operations I will going to tell you. Some operations like, suppose that I have written, that I have already told, but I am telling you in different manner, 4, 2, 3. Here len I have used over here, len directly, no any single value. Okay, if I will write print, direct print, okay, or you also can write n is equal to len. If in paper or in any examination will come, then board examination also come, then what is the output of this? Suppose that in this case the value of n, and in this case the value of n both is 3. Okay, so now this will count the length of the, these are the expression directly when you have not defined any list, when you will not define any variable for any list, directly I have defined a list and directly I have taken a length of the list. But this list you will use this in this way you can do only in one go. ठीक है, अब बाबा इसको यूज नहीं कर सकते. That's I will take same as if you will write 4, 2, 3 plus 1, 5, 6. The addition of the list is 4, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6. This is the output and this is the input. Okay, when you will add two lists without using any variable, then you can add this in this way. Suppose that any variable, any string will be given. Suppose that IP, okay, IP is given over here, and when you will multiply by that particular number, suppose that 4 times, 3 times, 6 times, okay, then is equal to IP, 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 IP. 4 times it will print. Okay, the list will be in this manner. Okay, is a single element will multiply by 4. It will create 4 elements in the list. Okay, suppose that if you will write like this L, so IP into 4 means the output of the L is this. Okay, clear? Now one more thing, suppose that any statement is written 3 in this, 3 in 4, 2, 3. This is the questioning answer. Okay, sorry, question type value means it will ask 3 in 4, 2, 3. The output will be true. Output will be true. In this case, the output will be 3. Yeah, it is asking the 3, is 3 present in the list? Yes, it is present. That's why it is true. Okay. Clear? Clear or not? One more expression is there. 4x in 4 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. When you will print x, okay, then 4 comma 2 comma 3 in different line, 4 2 3, in this manner it will be. Okay. The addition of two lists is called a concatenation. ठीक है, एडिशन ऑफ टू लिस्ट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉन्केटनेशन. मुझे याद नहीं रहा बताने को. कॉन्केटनेशन, ठीक है, कॉन्केटनेट बोलते हैं जिसको इंग्लिश में भी. ठीक है, ओके. और एक टर्म होता है अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किसी चीज को, दो तीन नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जब स्ट्रिंग को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रिडक्शन, सॉरी रिपीटिशन. रिपीटिशन, ठीक है, रिपीटिशन. रिडक्शन दूसरी चीज होती है. ठीक है, इट इज कॉल्ड अ रिपीटिशन. ओके. एंड चलो इसको बता दें, इसको बोलते हैं मेंबरशिप फंक्शन. मेंबरशिप, ठीक है, मेंबरशिप फंक्शन. ओके. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड इटरेशन. ये तो बता ही चुका हूं मैं. ठीक है, समझ इसका प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाऊं. ठीक है, चलो एक बार देख लो, इसको भी खत्म हो जाएगी. Suppose that this is a list I have already told you. Suppose that I want to delete a list. Okay, first of all I will delete L, कोई एलिमेंट है 54, L1, L10, 10 तो मैं रिप्लेस कर दिया 5. ठीक है. when you will print L, then see it is 5 in the list. It is 5 in the list. See now last list 5 is not there. Yeah? After 9 it is 5. Here 5 is not there. Now suppose that del L 2 comma 3, sorry 2 comma 3. Now print L. See 2 comma 3, these two elements. After 2 and 3, second element 0 1 2. सेकेंड एलिमेंट क्या था, डिलीट हो गया. फर्स्ट टू एलिमेंट डिलीट, एक एलिमेंट डिलीट हो गया से सेकेंड. ठीक है, एक एलिमेंट डिलीट हो गया. अब यहाँ से सिंगल एलिमेंट यहाँ पे डिलीट हुआ है. अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 0 2 3, अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे सपोज दैट 5. ठीक है, नाउ सी सेकेंड एलिमेंट इज 6. इसके बाद के जो 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 90 तक के बीच के 3 एलिमेंट्स बीच के खराब हो गए. थर्ड फोर्थ, सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ एलिमेंट ले गए, फिफ्थ. ठीक है, so this will tell you that the an index number before second से स्टार्ट करा उसने और फोर्थ एलिमेंट तक की सारे वैल्यूज उसने डिलीट कर दी. So in this way it will be like this. Suppose that I have written L P n is equal to len 4, 6, 7. Okay, then when I will print n, the output will be 3. Output will be 3 because the length of this value is 0 1 2. means it's 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. Clear? Same as suppose that if I will say S is equal to double quote IP star 4 print S. Okay, now see IP 4 times represented. Okay, so in this manner it's up to you how much Python program is completely based on practice. What as much as you can practice, you can learn a lot. Okay, then only you are able to answer the questions, and then only you can ask the question also. Clear? So few things left. Okay, 1, 2 things. In 2 classes, Python part of the Python will be finished. Okay, then we will start little bit SQL, but I have already uploaded SQL lectures, all lectures before lockdown, in lockdown, so you can watch them. Okay, we can take it up on the revision. Okay, so all of you take care. That's all for today. We will meet you soon. Okay, bye bye. कितने कितने? हाँ 2 हैं, 4 हैं.